Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Microsoft Games apps on your Android. So for example, if you want to install a Solitaire, Mahjong or some small games from Microsoft Windows, you can play the games, you can install the games on your Android phone. But first thing you to do, you can download and install the Link to Windows app. You can find it on you can find it on a Play Store. And after you install, please sign in into your Microsoft account on your PC or on your laptop and link into this app, synchronize with this app. So after that, now you can use this Link to Windows. This is the interface. In order to install the games, you can tap three strap at the top of your screen and try to search the games. Here we go. The game is only 3 by Microsoft, but it's quite amusing for me. There is a Solitaire Collection, a Word Man, Best Free Word Search Puzzle Game, and Mahjong. Tile matching puzzle games, unique themes, daily challenge, quick play, and awards. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. See you in the next video.